Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to zoom on WhatsApp. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Zoom application. Make sure you have installed Zoom application on your device. Here what you can do is create a new meeting, and once you do that, you can invite people or you can send a link to WhatsApp. So in order to zoom on WhatsApp, what you're gonna do is click on that participations. Now click on invite and copy link it, and now go back to WhatsApp and in the message box paste the link you have just copied. And that's all guys, that is how easily you can zoom on WhatsApp. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.